We'll calculate velocity of 1 with respect to 2. We'll differentiate that with respect to time. Then we'll get that time. That I'll come and substitute in the what is the velocity of 1. I think the vector sum, shall we go for it? v12 is equal to v1 square. v12 bar is needed, no? So 180 minus alpha will come. v2 bar will be in this direction. v12 bar. v12 bar means v1 bar minus v2 bar, no? It is. So therefore this should become v1 square plus v2 square 2 v1 v2 cos of 180 minus alpha. Okay, fine. This is now what is v1? v1 is u square, v2 is 80 square, 2u 80 cos alpha. This you differentiate. What is alpha? Let it be, because that angle is given for us, no? Angle is given, let's not bother alpha. So this I'm going to differentiate. I'll equate to 0, I'll get time. The distance between two particles at the least relative velocity. I got the time at which the relative velocity is least. Then I want the separation between them. After this, what shall we do is, like, we know relative velocity, you can write d, like this, you can write dv. So this you can write ds by dt, then solve for that and substitute the value of time. Anybody? I think I need time. Now this further you can write it as ds by dt. So lengthy, this is. This will integrate. For first, what you have to do, substitute that time. This will be very difficult, no? Again we'll do one thing. This is R1, this is R2. This separation is what is asking, no? That separation is what is asking. So what is S is equal to R1 square plus R2 square. This will be lengthy, okay? I'll take it out. R1 square plus R2 square 2R1 R2, angle between them cos alpha. Minus cos alpha, this is. What is R1? R1 is just only u like a u square into t. R2 square is, you have to calculate. Very mass, what is use of such questions? Simple. Now substitute the value of t. The value of t, what you get? Anybody value of t? Minimum, maxima, minima. You studied any quantity to find out minima, maxima. First order derivative should be equal to 0. Then I'll get the time. The relative velocity should be minimum. At that instant, what is the separation is asking. So calculate this t and substitute here. I think problem over. Anybody, if you can give me the value. Okay, okay, yeah, this much. This value of t you have to substitute in this equation. Very lengthy this is.
Sir, how to get the value of t?
Differentiating, what happened all these days? Maximum, minima, differentiate this with respect to time and equate to 0, then you get the t. No, we have done so many problems, derivatives, maximum, minima. 9th one we have discussed. Ninth